Learners, today I am very delighted to teach English grammar. Now I would like to introduce parts of speech. Parts of speech is an essential grammar. Okay, language is a vehicle of our thoughts. When we want to express what we think, we deliver in the form of speech. Words are divided into different kinds or classes called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. There are 8 parts of speech in English. Students, do you like to speak English? Do you like to improve your spoken? Okay. First, you have to learn basic grammar, parts of speech. The parts of speech is an essential grammar for spoken English. If you want to speak English, if you want to write English, first you have to learn parts of speech. Without parts of speech, we cannot make a question sentence, we cannot make a sentence, we cannot write in English. So, parts of speech is an essential for spoken English. Are you ready? Let's move. Hi learners, now I would like to give poem, parts of speech poem. Are you ready? Fine. Now I would like to sing a song, parts of speech. Every name is called a noun, as field and fountain, street and town. In place of a noun, the pronoun stands, as he or she can clap their hands. The adjective describes a thing, as magic wand or bridal ring. The verb means action, something done, as read and write, jump and run. How things are done, the adverbs tell, as quickly, slowly, barely and well. The preposition shows relation, as in the street or at the station. Conjunction join in many ways. Sentences, words or phrase and phrase. The interjection cries out hark, I need an exclamation mark. Okay students, this is parts of speech poem. If you like to speak English, how to learn parts of speech. Through parts of speech, you will improve your spoken. Okay, fine. Here is the poem, parts of speech poem. The first line tells us define the parts of speech. What is noun? What is pronoun? What is adjective? What is verb? What is adverb? What is preposition? What is conjunction? What is interjection? So the first line defines the parts of speech. The second line gives us example. So through this poem, you have to understand the parts of speech, the define and example. I hope you understood very well parts of speech. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you students.